Hello, this is John Piper with the weekend video clip, and it's Saturday the 13th of June. This is a chart of the DAX daily, but before we get into that, there's been a report that Greece is now thinking of selling a port to Russia. This is very much in line with my suggestion that they sell an island, or at least an asset. I said Mykonos, but it could be anything really. But obviously when one has problems of financial nature, selling an asset, and this could be an individual or a company or a country, selling an asset is the obvious solution in many ways. Obviously each country has lots of land mass, and selling a port to Russia sounds like it's not a bad idea. The big question mark is what happens with the Greek situation. I think everybody would just like to see a resolution really. Obviously the less painful the resolution is the better, but any resolution at this stage may well be a positive for markets. Looking at this chart of the DAX, I said this could be a fourth wave in a recent report. The target was 10.8, didn't quite make that. I thought we might see one more blip down. That didn't happen. Let's just see the action in the shorter term. Okay, pretty clearly impulsive move here. Possible 5-wave count there, won't go into it, but had this on there. Clear ABC down to here. So there could well be another strong rally here. I think the action after expiry, we've got expiry next Friday on the 19th, is probably more critical, but we could easily see a rally. I mean, certainly on this chart, a rally looks likely, taking out, moving above 11,450. So next week could be pretty positive, but after that, well, it depends how things work out. Let's have a look at FTSE now. Right, FTSE's ever far less dynamic, still got this ABC to there. Possible fifth wave failure there, that could be a B wave. Drift there, and then this decline, which again we've got this A-B bounce with a possible C wave coming next week. Again, this expiry, I wouldn't expect too much to happen, but obviously with news it could have an effect on that. Right, the Dow's also looking quite positive. We had this possible 5-wave decline which I've been talking about, down to there, then an irregular A, B, C, another sharp fall which could either be a third wave or a C wave. In the event, we have seen a 5-wave advance here on the Dow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but then quite a sharp fall here. So again, Monday could be quite critical on the Dow. Let's have a look at this in a little shorter term. Okay, this is the hourly chart, so we have the low here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a wave missing there, but it's a fairly good count. Quite a sharp fall pullback though. So again, there's certainly positives there, and a bounce next week could be good. Look and see the early action before I take any action though. Certainly we see some spirited, well, either buying or selling probably I might well go with. I think we're at a very, very critical point right now. Right, back to gold. This rally still looks reasonably encouraging, although we have got an overlap here with this possible fourth wave above the wave 1. And the third wave is the lower, so hardly ideal. But so far the decline here is fairly modest and being contained. So I think we could see more upside. So I've got a small long position, but I haven't seen enough yet to actually make a recommendation to you. So you can take your pick on that particular one, as of course you always can. Right, look at the currencies quickly. Right, pound dollar, we have a pretty clear 5 waves down here. Seem to have gone to a blue line, never mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's pretty impulsive. Putting an A wave, B, C. That's I mean, given the strength of the decline, but currently it looks like we're going to see more upside on the pound here. Euro dollar continues to struggle between the resistance at 1135, 1145, roughly those two lines there. ABC, time being here. Fairly sharp decline, but obviously we're knocking back on this door. Breakthrough there, could see a decent rally, I think. So it depends on what happens next. Right, meanwhile, pound euro still looks pretty strong. We had this really strong rally up to there. ABC decline to here. That's also an ABC there, so that's open possibilities. But basically we're still maintaining the high ground, so I think unless we break 134 around this low here, 133, 134, I expect it to go higher really, which is a bit of a surprise I guess with the pound euro. Maybe that's a Greek influence. Okay, on that note I'll call it a day. Hope you found that interesting and useful. Back with the report on Tuesday morning. Have a great weekend, thanks for listening, and bye for now.